Welcome, developers! Today, we're diving into the biggest shakeup the coding world has seen in years, Google's AntiGravity 2.0. On Tuesday, May 19, 2026, thousands of engineers logged on and faced something truly horrifying. Their traditional code editors, terminals, and file trees were stripped away, replaced by a bare-bones chat interface. The AntiGravity platform had pushed a massive, automatic, overnight update. This wasn't a bug. This was an intentional attack on manual coding, forcing the tech world into an entirely new era. The core change is the shift from writing code line by line to orchestrating autonomous AI agents. Version 2.0 acts as an agent control tower, where your job is to coordinate multiple autonomous agents working in parallel on back-end and front-end tasks. AntiGravity version 1.0 was a traditional IDE. V2.0? It's an entire ecosystem, completely blowing up that model. This new ecosystem includes a standalone desktop application, a brand new Go-built command line interface, a developer SDK, and managed cloud agent layers. Instead of typing lines of code, your primary role is now orchestration, managing agents that tackle different parts of your project simultaneously. This shift isn't optional. Google has set a hard, absolute deadline for migration. After June 18, 2026, the old Gemini CLI will stop processing requests completely. You must migrate to the new AntiGravity CLI. Why the aggressive push? It's all about Gemini 3.5 Flash, the model running under the hood. Google claims 3.5 Flash clocks in at an insane 289 tokens per second. That's 4 times faster than Claude and GPT rivals, making multi-agent coordination truly possible. The I/O keynote featured a live demo that stunned the audience, proving this platform is production-ready infrastructure. The demo tasked AntiGravity 2.0 with building an entire operating system. It spun up 93 autonomous sub-agents working in parallel. In just 12 hours, for under $1,000, it generated 2.6 billion tokens and produced a functional OS kernel. To prove it wasn't a gimmick, the agent wrote missing keyboard drivers live on stage to make the classic game Doom fully playable. All this infrastructure comes with a steep price tag, as Google is aggressively tiering this product to monetize the agent revolution. The real agent power is locked behind the new AI Ultra plan at $100 a month, with Ultra Premium for large teams at $200 a month. Google is betting developers will pay a premium for deep, native access to the Google stack, including one-click exports to Firebase and Google Cloud. Compared to competitors like Cursor at $20 or Copilot Workspace at $19, it's clear Google isn't interested in a price war. They're selling a revolution.
Are you excited to become an AI agent manager? Or do you think developers are totally justified in pushing back against this rollout? Let me know your thoughts in the comments